Subscribe my channel E for You. Activities English Subjects YouTube channel. Class 8th English Poem. Title: Be the Best. Poet: Douglas Malloch. Explanation in Urdu by Raushan Qureshi.
Be the best, be the best. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rill. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass and some highway happy or make. If you can't be a muskie and just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lack. We can't all be captains, we have got to be crew. There's some things for all of us here. There's big work to do and there's lesser to do, and the task you must is the near. If you can't be a highway, then just we our trial. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are.